I finally figured out our laundry problem in our small space, and it is the Storage Maniac Collapsible Laundry Hamper. I love this hamper because we have a small laundry room, and sometimes those big plastic bins like we used to have just don't fit in there, plus us, plus the machines. So I found this Storage Maniac Collapsible Hamper, and it is a game changer. It closes up so easily, so then we have all the storage in the laundry room that we need. And the best part is that it's still on wheels, so we can roll it in and out of the laundry room and roll it in and out of the bedrooms. I love that it's really narrow, and I also really love that there are these two compartments. So there's the top basket and the bottom basket. And so you can separate clothes if you want to, or you can have dirty on the bottom, clean on the top, however you want to organize it. I do wish that the baskets themselves were a little bit bigger. It's pretty small, and with having a couple kids, it's just very difficult to fit all the clothes in there. So I do wish that was a little bit bigger, but I still love this basket, especially for our small space, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of room.